जय हिंद दोस्तों। आज हम यहाँ पर मोलिकुलर मास पढ़ने जाएंगे। मोलिकुलर मास इज सम ऑफ एटॉमिक मास एंड हियर वी हैव टेकन एन एग्जांपल ऑफ Na2CO3. It's a compound and it's made up of three elements, whereas the elements name are sodium, carbon, oxygen, and Na2CO3 is also called sodium carbonate. And here we can see that sodium has two atoms and its atomic mass is 23, and here we can see carbon, it has only one atom and its atomic mass is 12, and here we can see oxygen has three atoms and its atomic mass is 16. Then after multiplying we get 46 plus 12 plus 48, and at last the molecular mass is 106 gram per mole. Here gram per mole is the SI unit of molecular mass, and we can also denote it by atomic mass unit. Now further we take another example of Al2SO4 whole thrice. Here Al2SO4 whole thrice we can also write it in another way, Al2S3O12 by multiplying it by 3. Here this compound is made of three elements that are as follows: aluminum, sulfur, oxygen. Here we can see that aluminum has two atoms and its atomic mass is 27, and sulfur has three atoms and its atomic mass is 32, and oxygen has 12 atoms and its atomic mass is 16. Now by further multiplying it we get 54 plus 96 plus 192, and its atomic mass is at last, and its atomic mass, not molecular mass, is at last we get 342 gram per mole, or AMU, atomic mass unit. Now further we take another example of CaSO4 into 2H2O. It's also called gypsum. Here calcium atom, we can see that calcium has only one atom, so its atomic mass is 40, and sulfur has only one atom and its atomic mass is 32, and here we can see that oxygen atoms are 4, so it is multiplied by 16, and further we can see that here water is in the ratio, or we can see that here water is in cytochromatic coefficient of 2. So here first of all we find out the molecular mass of water and we get 18 AMU. Here we can see that hydrogen atoms had two atoms and its atomic mass is 1, and oxygen has only one atom and its atomic mass is 16, and further we get 18 AMU. Now come to the compound gypsum. Here we can see that calcium has only one atom, so it is further multiplied with 40, and sulfur has only one atom, its atomic mass is 32, and we can see that oxygen has 4 atoms and atomic mass is 16, and further we can see that here water capacity is 2. Then we have find out here the molecular mass of water is 18 AMU. Then we multiplied it by 18. Then after multiplying we get 40 plus 32 plus 63 plus 36, Then the right answer we get there here is 172 gram per mole, and it is also denoted by AMU, atomic mass unit, and we can also say it by or represent it as unit. Thanks.